Tokyo is a tale of opposite. Traditions cherished. Innovation embraced. New, old, fast, slow, quiet, loud. A city like no other, wrapped in a kimono. The outside, vibrant and colorful. The inside, calm and comforting. Like so many, Tokyo became my home. My city, my sensei, taught me patience and method. To move with intent, with speed, with grace. To learn from the land, to savor, to observe, to laugh. I find beauty in knowledge. Every lesson led here, a passion found, nurtured through time and invention, matured by dedication, a perfect pairing. Wisdom and craft. Join me at my table.